Irresistibly Simple Operation. Quick, repeatable changeovers. Robust precision. Fast, sensible maintenance. Because the point of owning a machine is to make a profit. Learn about the Profit Advantage, the 760 SUP pouch converting system from CMD. Easier to use, easier to train operators. Step into easy access. Operators and trainers love the clean, common sense touchscreen HMI. You'll enjoy the easiest, quickest thread ups and foolproof adjustments in seconds. The integrated zipper unwind is convenient and efficient. Designed to make your life easier. Downtime is the enemy. The 760 SUP is your friend. Moving from job to job in record time gives you the flexibility to earn new and different business. Fast changeovers start with quick access. Perfect alignment in seconds. Dies are easy to access and change. Easy splicing saves time and material. Robust precision means predictable control of your machine, your materials, and your process. Reliable web control saves scrap on roll changes. And adjustment accuracy built into the design retains flatness and parallelism under full force. Profit from your process. Easy to identify faults, make corrections, and avoid downtime. Common sense access for quick, routine maintenance. Faster diagnostics for less unplanned downtime. Differentiate and offer what others can't. Expand your capabilities to offer new products at lower prices and higher quality. CMD, technology that empowers you.